Now, live from Studio B in the world headquarters of Fox News Channel.
A potential cancer breakthrough, as I mentioned just a moment ago. It's in cancer detection. Now, this thing is in the final phases of clinical trials. The backers of a new method to find cancer report the technology relies on cameras. They're already available in about 95% of all hospitals. They also report this is much more accurate than current systems. So how does it work, and how could it benefit cancer victims? Let's get right to Alicia Acuna in our Rocky Mountain newsroom. What of it?
Well, hi, Chef. This detection system is similar to others. However, the agent that is used is much cheaper, it works faster, and it's much more accurate according to its developers. With this new test, a patient is injected with a solution that's made up of sugar and mild radioactive isotopes. Now, cancer cells love sugar, so they gobble it up. This increased activity in the body lights up under what's known as a SPECT scan. The SPECT part is key. They are in more hospitals and cost less than PET scans, which have long been considered the gold standard in cancer detection. Plus, PETs aren't able to differentiate between tumors and other issues, meaning false positives. CellPoint, the Denver-based company that developed this, says it could be in hospitals pending FDA approval by this time next year. Shep?
I guess this means they could detect cancers more quickly, and a lot of people are probably interested to learn what that'll do for those who've already been diagnosed.
Well, if proven, then doctors can actually use this test on patients during chemotherapy. This is actually kind of a big deal because if someone is undergoing chemotherapy, oncologists say they don't always know, especially with certain cancers, whether that therapy is working. If they can use this test during the therapy, they can figure out very early on whether or not it's working. And it only works with this certain agent and with the SPECT scans. And because they're cheaper, there could be more testing. The company that developed this, CellPoint, says that because of that, it could be so much cheaper. And insurance companies will like this number. On average, it could save per patient about $19,500.
Wow,
Shep?
That's good news indeed. Thanks very much, Alicia Acuna in Denver this afternoon. Well, despite another huge...